The SR Hybrid Drive System is a fully integrated system specifically designed for the ruggedness and reliability required in mining duty applications. Let's focus on a few of the key components of the SR Drive System and how they are helping to lower the total cost of ownership for our customers. By taking a building block approach in our design, one converter can accommodate all the different SR applications. A single converter in its appropriate size class can handle SR motoring and generating. The same converter can handle variable AC, as well as energy storage devices such as batteries, ultracapacitors, or our KES. One component means one part number, one system to operate, and one system to learn. The simplicity provides added reliability. Another unique feature of this converter is its capability to handle bidirectional power flow. Incoming voltage from the genset or energy from elsewhere is converted into useful power to make the motors go round. With bidirectional power flow, instead of simply managing the power coming in and to the motors, it can also manage the power that goes in the other direction. Let's look at how this works in the new Joy Hybrid Diesel LHD. When a typical electric drive machine goes into braking mode, it takes the inertia from the spinning wheels and burns that energy across the grid, wasting it as heat. With our bidirectional power flow, that energy is pumped back to the generator, essentially turning the generator into a big motor. The hydraulics can be powered with what would have been wasted energy, reducing heat emissions and significantly saving on fuel. We also designed in the ability to parallel the drives. This means that as our machines grow in size, requiring more power and larger SR motors, we can simply add more of the same converters. Parts commonality, improved availability, and use of the same diagnostics all lead to increased uptime. SR, or switched reluctance motors, have an extremely simple and rugged design. The rotors consist purely of a stack of electrical steel laminations with no windings, rotor bars, magnets, or contacts. This design lowers the inertia, which is an important benefit in a mining application. Mining machines drive into the dig face and stop abruptly when the wheels stop spinning. That energy has to go somewhere, and it goes to the machine's drivetrain. The lower inertia of an SR motor makes it easier on the drivetrain, which equates to longer life. The stator is very compact and power dense, with independently wound coils that have no overlap area. Thermal losses are easily dissipated through the outer circumference. Another benefit of SR motors is that, electrically speaking, they have no real speed limitations, aside from the bearings. We explored ultracapacitor-based energy storage and encountered many shortcomings, such as sensitivity to temperature and the sheer number of ultracapacitor cells needed to provide satisfactory life. This led to an innovative breakthrough in the area of deep energy storage, our KES. KES leverages the speed capability of SR motors with an added mass acting as a flywheel. The energy recovered in braking can be stored for a longer period of time in this flywheel, and then pulled back out and used at opportune times. The KES can store over twice the usable energy as an ultracapacitor and provide over 6 times the power per dollar in a smaller package. Let's illustrate with the new Joy Hybrid Diesel LHD. The Joy 22HD and a competitive machine, both equipped with a similar sized diesel engine, head into the dig face. Each machine grabs a scoop, pulls away, and are now ready to race off to the crusher. The 22HD has a 429 horsepower diesel engine, and the KES can store 3 megajoules of energy, which equates to about 4,000 horsepower seconds. It is ready for that drag race, now having available double the horsepower of its engine as it accelerates to top speed. The Joy 22HD can accelerate to top speed in half the time as a competitive machine. That adds up to reduced cycle times and more tons per hour. This proven technology has been successfully utilized on P&H surface wheel loaders for decades. Due to its many benefits related to fuel savings, reduced emissions, reliability, maintainability, and productivity, Komatsu has recently introduced it on our Joy Underground LHDs and the P&H 2650CX hybrid shovel. Talk to a Komatsu representative to learn more about how our machine featuring SR Hybrid Drive can help lower your total cost of ownership.